Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Jones. I'm a wildlife biologist at the Yreka Fish and Wildlife Office. I'm also the Schoolyard Habitat Coordinator, and where I am today is at Orchard Hill Elementary School, where we've installed a Schoolyard Habitat project on campus. Schools can apply for funding through the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to create a Schoolyard Habitat project on their campus. The benefits of Schoolyard Habitat projects are twofold. First of all, by planting native plants, they create habitat for pollinators and other wildlife. Secondly, they create an outdoor classroom where students can learn subjects such as math, art, language arts, and science. Students also learn to hone their observational skills, how to work as a team, and perhaps most importantly, experience nature firsthand, which fosters a sense of stewardship for the land and care for our natural resources.
There's a lot of animals that may not have a place to go, and this will just make it a lot easier, and it'll make the monarch and other animal populations rise.
We had all these families come together, bring in tools. They brought in extra garden boxes and donated to the school. It was a really neat process to watch all the families come together with the kids to get this project going and off the ground.
We can take care of the school habitat by weeding and making sure the plants are okay and watering them. And we learned how to weed to get dirty and still have fun, but we also learned one of the most important ones is to work together.
My favorite part about creating the schoolyard habitat was pretty much everything.
The Fish and Wildlife Service has worked with several schools to raise and tag monarch butterflies in their classrooms. Students learn about monarch life history, habitat needs, threats to their populations, and what people can do to help save the monarch.
We saw we saw a butterfly with the tag, so we thought it was one of ours. We have been helping save the monarch butterflies, 5 of them.
The most interesting part about raising the monarchs is just watching them grow. You can plant a garden, or you can also bring monarchs in, because that'll give them a better chance of surviving.
I just had a really good time with the monarchs, and I thought it was a great way to get outside and help. And I had a lot of fun helping in the garden too. Species, and they're really good for us, and they help us a lot. Like bees and all those animals, they really are good to us, and we should be good back to them.
Once the Schoolyard Habitat project is established, the next challenge is upkeep and maintenance of the garden and how to integrate it into the school curriculum. And that's where Nature's Notebook comes in. Nature's Notebook is a program that can be used to make phenological observations about seasonal changes in plants and animals from year to year, especially their timing and relationship with weather and climate. Students and teachers can use Nature's Notebook to monitor their Schoolyard Habitat project and add their observations into the National Phenology Database to document events such as when their plants flower, when birds and monarchs visit the Schoolyard Habitat project during their migration route, and when insects emerge. Having the students make regular phenological observations will encourage schools to continue to use the Schoolyard Habitat project for learning and will promote science and climate change literacy.
Because so much changes in the garden, so much changes. Leaves are changing, flowers are dying back. We talked a lot about how you cut back certain plants, how others you don't cut back. I think it'd be really neat to keep a journal all year seasonally. We have seen butterflies out here, which has been really exciting earlier on. And I think it was a big confirmation for kids when they got to see that they were here and that they're attracting birds and they're attracting insects. That was really exciting. We found caterpillars and all sorts of stuff in the garden. The worms were very exciting.
I've seen hummingbirds drinking the nectar out of the plants. I've seen the hawk flying above. I've seen quail with babies falling around them.
For more information about the Schoolyard Habitat Program and raising monarchs in the classroom, please contact Jennifer Jones at the Yreka Fish and Wildlife Office. To learn more about Nature's Notebook, contact the program coordinator or visit the Nature's Notebook website. Thank you for watching.